introduce myself. My name is Junia Griniswandi from IMAP 18. I want to say about consort checklist. The checklist about journal. The journal title is Oral Learning Material for High-Risk Non-Hospitalized Adult with COVID-19. Let's get started. To checklist a journal, and I have a journal is the New England Journal of Medicine, and the title is Oral Nirmatrelvir for High-Risk Non-Hospitalized Adults with COVID-19. And the checklist for number 1A is identification as randomized trial in the title, and the title is Oral Nirmatrelvir for high-risk non-hospitalized adult with COVID-19. Of trial design, methods, result, and conclusion. Displays in the abstract about background, methods, result, and conclusion. Next, 2A is scientific background and explain of rationale. The checklist is about infection with severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus and illness with the associated coronavirus disease 119. A need exists for safe and effective oral COVID-19 is treatment that can prevent the progression of infection to more severe disease, hospitalization, and death, shorten the time to clinical recovery, and reduce the transmission rate. And the EPIC-HR trial evaluation of protease inhibition for COVID-19 is high-risk patient evaluating the safety and efficacy of nirmatrelvir plus ritonavir in non-hospitalized adults with mild to moderate COVID-19 at high risk for progression to severe disease. Next, the checklist for B about settings and location where the data were collected. The place in the method and displays 2 until 3 double-blind randomized placebo-controlled trial evaluate the efficacy, viral load, and safety associated with the use of nirmatrelvir plus ritonavir among non-hospitalized symptomatic adults with COVID-19 who were at high risk for progression to severe disease. The next checklist is 3A about trial setting or description of trial design such as parallel factorial including a location ratio. It is an eligible patient were required to be at least 18 years old to have confirmed SARS-CoV-2 infection and symptom onset no more than 5 days before randomization with at least one sign or symptom of COVID-19 on the day of randomization. See table S1 in the supplementary appendix of a file with the full text of this article at nnjm.org. And next is the checklist is 4B, setting and location where the data were collected. The next Checklist is for B, setting and location where the data were collected. The trial was approved by ethics committee at its site and all participants provide written informed consent. Next is checklist is for A, about eligibility criteria. The trial planned to enroll approximately 3,000 patients. Of these, 17 were to be included in the primary analysis to ensure 90% power, accounting for an interim analysis to detect a 50% difference in COVID-19 related hospitalization or death from any cause with nirmatrelvir plus ritonavir as compared with placebo, as anticipate even rate with placebo 7%. And of patients in the primary analysis population had completed assessment through day 28. The specific significance level for early termination was for efficacy and for fatality. See the supplementary appendix for additional detail regarding the statistical analysis, including handling of missing data. And then 5, the checklist next is number 5, the interpretation for a group with sufficient detail to allow replication, including how and when they were actually administered. Between July 16 and December 9, 2021, a total of 2,256 patients were enrolled at 343 sites worldwide. And most patients had not received or were not expected to receive monolocal antibodies for COVID-19. Treatment randomization and 1,489 receiving the first dose of the trial drug or placebo within 3 days after the onset of symptoms before receiving the trial drug of placebo. 4 patients had received it. Next is 6A. Next checklist is 6A, any change to trial outcome after the trial comment withdrawal. In the planned interim analysis of patient treated within 3 days after symptom onset, comprising 774 of the 1,361 patients in the full analysis population significantly favor recipients of nirmatrelvir plus ritonavir had COVID-19 related hospitalization or death by day 28. Next is 18. Next checklist is 18. Result of any other analysis performed, including subgroup analysis and adjusted analysis, discussing pre-specified from exploratory. In the table, the highlight is pink. Panel saw efficaciously result among patients who were treated within 3 days and within 5 days after symptom onset and who did not receive or were not expected to receive COVID-19. The therapeutic monoclonal antibodies at randomizations. And so subgroup analysis of the difference of the proportion of patients treated within 5 days after symptom onset who had COVID-19 related hospitalization or death from any cause through day 28 estimate for a treatment group with use of the Kaplan-Meier method. P-values are based on normal approximation of the data. Study population are described in the table S2. Next checklist is 22 about interpretation consistent with result, balancing benefit and harms, and considering other relevant evidence. Is our data show that treatment with nirmatrelvir plus ritonavir only in COVID-19 illness can decrease progression to severe disease and quickly reduce SARS-CoV-2 viral load. The highlight is red. And next, 23, the checklist about registration number and name of trial registry is in the conclusion from abstract. Treatment of symptomatic COVID-19 with nirmatrelvir plus ritonavir resulted in a rise of progression to severe COVID-19 that was 89% lower than the rise with placebo without evidence safety concern, supported by Pfizer clinicaltrial.gov number. And next checklist is number 24, where the full trial protocol can be accessed if available. The highlight is pink, supported by Pfizer. Disclosures from provided by the author are available with the full text of this article at negm.org. And the checklist next is 25, source of funding on order support. Role of funders is we thank all patients who volunteered for this trial. The study cites personnel for this contribution: Charles Knit, Stephen Lachman, Canary Lee Job. Yes. Maybe Enoch about the concert checklist by me in the journal New England Journal of Medicine, and the title is Oral nirmatrelvir for high-risk non-hospitalized adult with COVID-19. Thank you, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.